It's my 1986 K10. It's a stock bench seat. I had a 208 and I went to a 205 and I twin sticked it. This kit came from Custom Fab. Right now they're both axles are in neutral, and when you pull the rear in high, pull the front in high, they still got clearance for the seat, and then you put them both in low. That's how far forward they sit. So it's neutral, the rear in high, and the front in high. Big old gaping hole, nothing that some sheet metal wouldn't cover up. I went ahead and bought their shift rail kit as well, and it was pretty easy to do.